Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can roll back to a previous version of a AMD driver. So usually if you get an update for your new driver, in this case the AMD, and you get some bugs, you get some unstable performance because of new driver. So in order to make your GPU stable, you can roll back, you can refer to the previous version. So in order to do that, you need this software, display driver uninstaller, or DDU. You can download for free and install into your PC or laptop. So here, before you use this app, this is the recommended usage. You must disconnect your internet. DDU should not be used every time you install new driver unless you know what you are doing. And if you use DDU in normal mode, clean, reboot, clean again, and reboot. So here, you can follow the instruction. For example, this is the interface after the installation. You can go with a clean and restart. But if this is your first time use the GPU, or you move from AMD to NVIDIA or from NVIDIA to AMD, you need to clean and shut down for installing new graphic card. So I don't recommend you to use this clean and do not restart, because you may encounter issues like a black screen. So feel free to try to use this DDU software in order to revert into your previous graphic card. Don't forget to download the AMD old drivers. So you can find the AMD old driver or previous driver, for example for RX 9900 version, from the AMD.com official website. Of course, you can download like from the old one. Here you can see the revision number and the release date. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.